Hi everyone, I'll be showing you how to replace the pedals on your bicycle. I'm holding on to two items now. The first is the pedal wrench. The second is a set of pedals that I want to replace. There are two things that you need to know. The first, you need to ensure that you are holding on to the correct sizing pedal wrench in order to tighten or to loosen the pedal. For each pedals, the splinter size is different. For this pedal, it uses an 8mm Allen key. Now, for the pedal that is behind me, it actually uses an 6mm Allen key to tighten or to loosen it. The second thing that you need to know is, you need to know which direction should your pedal wrench turn in order to tighten or to loosen it. Behind me is this Orbea bicycle, the front and the rear. When you turn your pedal wrench towards the front wheel, it actually tightens the pedal. However, when you turn it towards the rear wheel, you actually loosen it. This applies to both sides of the bicycle. So now I'm going to remove the left pedal. So this axle here uses a 6mm Allen key. So as I mentioned earlier, if I turn it backwards, it will loosen the pedal. And also hold on to your brakes so that the bicycle will not move. There you go. You hear a click sound? Yeah, the pedals is removed. Then you can unscrew out the pedals. First pedal is removed. In order to remove the right side pedal, I will still use the 6mm Allen key. Remember to turn it towards the rear wheel so that it will loosen the pedal. Unscrew out the pedal. There you go, it's taken out. I will be showing you how to install the right pedal onto the bicycle, which is the drive side where the crank is. So insert the pedal inwards, ensure that the spindle goes directly inwards towards the tread. Then use your pedal wrench to turn forward. Until this part where you cannot turn further, you need to use the longer part of the wrench to even tighten it. Okay, hold on to your rear brakes and then press this lever down. This way it's tightened. Now I will install the left pedal onto the non-drive side of the crank. Same thing, put the pedal in, ensure that the tread goes directly into the crank hole. Now use your pedal wrench and turn it forward towards the front wheel. Hold on to your rear brakes while you further tighten the left pedal. And it's done. Now you can head out to cycle. Help me to like my Facebook, follow my Instagram, and subscribe to my YouTube channel. See you in my next video.